At 21 years old, I had a duplex and a big 5-bedroom house that I own. What better canvas to work on than one that's 100 years old that you can't drive a screw into the stud, you can't sawzall a hardened blacksmith nail. It kicks your butt and it teaches you, and you get good real quick. My name's Mike Cantrell. I'm 34 years old. I own Cantrell Construction. We do mainly try to focus on specialty woodworking projects, higher-end cabinetry, and one-of-a-kind built-ins. That's who a lot of my customers are, the people that have been told they can't have it, it can't be done. And they're not going to stop there. That's when they find me. It's a pleasure to be able to have a tool out there that you can count on. Festool, you get hooked on it. You use it one time and it doesn't even compare to the tool you're used to using. We just are about to wrap up a project. It's been about a week-long project. It's 4 big, giant barn door sliders. They're called barn door because of the hardware. We used every single one of my Festools on this project, actually. Sanding these doors and cutting these doors. The big time saver on these doors, the big reason my customer was even able to afford these doors is because of the Domino XL. I can make a cut and put tenons in a whole door in 10 minutes. Even the way that I used to do it is with the mortise and tenon. You know, it's strong as can be. The problem is it just takes 20 times longer to do it. And it's still not as tight a fit as what you get with the Festool. And you don't get a stronger joint than that. Maybe it was 85 tenons. I think I did it in an hour and a half. When I can produce something for my customer at a quarter the cost or half the cost, they're going to spend the same amount of money and they're going to get more work. And that all translates into my next job. What we do is art. No matter how big or how little, when it's handmade, there's a memory there. There's a story behind it. And you tell the story. It's your life. It's what you take pride in. It's fun. When you want something to last, you don't cut corners. You do it right. The end of the day comes and you're proud of what you did. That's craftsmanship.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.